Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are joining us today. Welcome to our webinar, Salesforce, Agentforce, and the AI Revolution for Field Service. We are thrilled to have you with us as we explore the transformative potential of AI-powered solutions in the world of field service. My name is Carmen Liano from Nespon, and with me today is Fabian Mojica from Salesforce. Together, we are part of the leadership team driving innovation and efficiency in the field's operation through Salesforce solutions. Over the course of this session, we walk you through real-world insights, live demos, and best practices showing how AI is actively reshaping field service management. For those of you who may be new to Nespon, we are proud to be a Salesforce Summit partner representing the highest level of expertise and achievement with the Salesforce ecosystem. Founded in 2008 and headquartered in Texas, US, NesponSolutions has grown into a global leader with 9 centers of excellence in delivering exceptional service worldwide. Our journey is quite special. Beyond innovation and excellence, we are also proved to be a women minority-owned business, fostering a culture of inclusivity and diversity in everything we do. With a team of over 600 certified professionals and more than 350 consultants, we specialize in both B2B and B2C Salesforce implementation solutions. We deliver solutions across multiple Salesforce clouds. Today, we'll show you how Salesforce is leading this transformation and what it means for your technicians, your dispatcher, your customers, and your bottom line. Now, I will pass over Fabian, and he's going to tell us about Agentforce and how AI is empowering Salesforce to transform field service.
Thank you, Carmen. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening for everyone. Thank you for joining us today. Have you ever wondered how much time we waste juggling calendars and generating reports? A few years ago, the first wave of AI barely anticipated patterns. The second wave brought us copilots that suggest responses. Today, in the third wave, we are talking about intelligent agents that execute end-to-end process, from rescheduling appointment with a single click to automatically generate reports without manual intervention. Salesforce has led the way through each of these steps. First with Einstein Analytics, then with Einstein Copilot, and now with Agentforce. We turned that promise into reality across all of cloud. In the field service scenario, Agentforce for field service puts pre-configured agents into the hands of your technician and dispatcher, freeing your teams from low-value repetitive tasks. Open Table says Agentforce could be the most powerful support tool Salesforce has ever released. Wiley tells us it outperforms our old chatbots by 40%, and Bombardier highlights that it frees up our teams to focus on what truly matters. What does this mean for you? Your calendars are no longer a puzzle of emails and phone calls. With one click, an appointment reschedules themselves whenever there is unexpected change. Field reports arrive instantly. complete with photos and signatures, no manual sign-off required, and the platform continually watched for gaps in your schedule, suggesting maintenance opportunity exactly when you need them. This for Glint shows why we are in the third wave of the AI and how Salesforce continues to blaze the trail. Next, I'll reveal how our data platform and AI architecture made this revolution possible. Uh, Thank you, Carmen. Think of the Salesforce AI platform as the backbone for all our agents, not just those in the field service. Picture routine at the start of the day, Hyperforce or global infrastructure already has your data secure in the region you chose, with end-to-end encryption and strict compliance. You don't have to build or maintain data center. Salesforce handles it and does so with a net zero carbon approach aligned to your sustainability goals. On the second level, the data integration layer unifies your work orders, service appointment, inventories, and external system data without unnecessary duplication, thanks to native connectors and data cloud APIs. Even field photos and call transcript are available instantly. The results, a 360 profile of every appointment, asset, and technician, always current and ready for your agents. On the third floor, see the model ecosystem. Here, you can choose between Salesforce native model, Einstein GPT, or your own LLM instance on AWS, Azure, or Google, or third-party LLMs like OpenAI. This flexibility lets you optimize cost and performance, tuning the AI brain to each use case without chaining platform. Of the fourth level, the asynchronous layer acts as your security guard. Through secure data retrieval, agents only access authorized data, dynamic routing, every response to real, up-to-date records, and toxicity detection filters out inappropriate or off-context content. Every interaction is logged in an audit trail, giving you confidence to deploy agents in even the most critical process. On the fifth level, you have your low-code tools, prompt builder, agent builder, and model builder. With this visual interface, your operation and business teams can design, test, and refine agents in hours, no ET tickets required. And at the submit seat, Agentforce is self-orchestrating topics and action on field service object to run real tasks, rescheduling appointments, generating reports, exploring schedule gaps, autonomously but always waiting you predefined guardians. Remember, the six-layer AA architecture is not exclusive for field service. It's power all Salesforce agent. In our demo, you'll see how this layer comes together to transform 7 real-world use cases into productivity gains and cost saving. Close your eyes for a moment and envision the famed Salesforce mandala. At its center sit your customer and field technician. Around them, a perfect ring of native integrated clouds, sales, service, marketing, commerce, data cloud, Einstein AI, Tableau, MuleSoft, and last, all playing in harmony. Einstein installed itself as the next intelligence layer, amplifying every one of these components, including the ones built for field service. How does it work? Agentforce respects your people's workflow. Technician and dispatcher gets timely suggestion without losing control. Behind the scenes, agents carry out key tasks. rescheduling appointment when plans change, generating work summaries in seconds, exporting idle windows to reclaim time without data duplication. Everything runs on a 360 grade profiles in Data Cloud, where orders, inventories, file photos, and invoice transcripts coverage. Each interaction records itself in the CRM, enriching customer 360 and flowing as seamlessly as your field service process demand. And what values does this bring you? You gain total consistency. Every agent recommendation honors your business rule and security model. You enjoy end-to-end visibility, and dispatcher managers and technicians speak the same language and share one source of truth. Your teams achieve real efficiency, offloading repetitive work so they can focus on improving service quality and customer satisfaction. Plus, with the Salesforce AI platform, can you deploy and scale dozens of agents in days, not months, maximizing ROI for the outset. And although today we focus on Agentforce for field service, remember, this AI framework from Data Cloud and the flexible mobile ecosystem to Einstein Trust Layer, powered every Salesforce agent, amplifying your investment across all clouds and use case. It's Friday morning and the dispatcher console is buzzing. Emails, call, a spreadsheet in overload. What you need is not more manual oversight, but a true teammate. Enter Agentforce for field service, which in recent releases has delivered three powerhouse capabilities now generally available. First, appointment schedule. With one click, it analyzes skills, location, and service windows to craft the optimal schedule. Forget overlaps and empty runs. Boost technician utilization by up to 20%. Second, mobile worker support. Out in the field, the technician mobile app sprint to live, step by step, word by step, word instructions, parts alert, and natural language answers right when they are needed, cutting diagnostic error by 25%. Third, resource management. In real time, monitor by call and warehouse inventories, suggest replacement, and prioritize stock transfers. Avoid critical shortages and save up 15% on logistic costs. Client like the AutoClick Group report 30 million minutes recovered per year thanks to the plug and play models. With Agentforce for field service, your day-to-day work transfer from a frantic race into an intelligent flows that keeps promise, saves results, and elevates customer satisfaction, all without leaving the tools you are already use. Every field visit has three pivotal moments: before the trip, during the work, and the wrap up. With Agentforce for field service, a suite of AI agents stand ready to guide each phase. No custom builds required. Pre-work with agent before stepping into the van, your technician receives a concise, personalized briefing, job scope, potential risk, and exact parallel list. No more digging through manuals. On-site knowledge agent on location, on track brings on the optimal repair procedure for this asset in front end, schematic videos, and safety steps are context aware. Post-work summary agent. On of the job is done, this agent compiles photos, digital signatures, and customer feedback into a polished service report and sends it to back office and billing in seconds. A schedule gap agent if a cancellation or delays opens time slot. The agent spot is instantly and suggests a critical maintenance task, capturing value minutes back into your day. Plus, additional pre-configured agent can filter appointment list by zone, priority, or skill, detect scheduling exception before they become issues, manage parts and inventory, triggering reorder suggestion, track time to guarantee SLA and contract compliance, all deploy in 2 clicks or inside the dispatcher console and mobile app, and leverage the same Salesforce AI architecture, data cloud, instant truth layer, and our model ecosystem that powers every agent, not just those in field service. With Agentforce for field service, you cover every service experience before, during, and after, freeing your teams to focus on what matters, delighting customer and scaling your business with confidence. And Carmen, in this moment, I give the talk to Carmen.
Thank you. With Agentforce for field service, your teams can focus on people, not paperwork. From the customer to the dispatcher to the technician to operation management, everyone benefits from the AI that improves, automates, and optimizes the service experience. Empower your customer to schedule appointments at their convenience across any channel. Agent for Service Agent for Scheduling is an autonomous agent that can handle complex schedule scenarios using natural language. It assists dispatcher by managing scheduling exceptions and surfacing calendar details to help them work faster and maximize utilization. In the field, it dramatically reduces clicks for technicians and enables them to focus on the job at hand instead of administrative tasks. And for field service operation managers, Agentforce transforms how insights are derived for unstructured data by analyzing notes captured by technicians and summarizing into common themes like cancellation reasons, issues encountered, missing part, and more. Let's now focus on the dispatcher, a key player in any field service team. Dispatchers often work under pressure, juggling technicians' availability, last-minute cancellations, and shifting customer expectations. Agentforce helps by constantly monitoring the schedule and highlights the most critical information, appointments that require immediate attention, unfilled gaps that can be proactively resolved, and smart filters to take direct action from the gun view. This makes dispatching not just faster, but smarter, improving technician utilization and customer satisfaction in one stroke. Now, let's talk about the technician experience, because while automation is powerful, service still happens in the field. Agentforce gives technicians a true digital assistant before, during, and after the job. Pre-work briefing summarizes the job, the customer history, the location, and any special instruction, saving time and reducing errors. On-site guidance offers troubleshooting support using voice, image, or checklists, especially useful in complex cases or for newer technicians. And post-work summary automatically generate notes and updates, helping close work order faster and improving accuracy in reporting. This is just about efficiency. It's about elevating every technician ability to deliver an excellent experience. Today, we are seeing adoption grow fast, especially among teams managing large territories or a high volume of jobs. Let's shift now to customer support, where service agents interact directly with customers across phone, chat, or digital channels. Our approach with Agentforce is simple. Empower agents to solve problems faster, more accurately, and with less screen switching. Whether it's troubleshooting a service issue, booking a technician, or escalating a case, Agentforce acts as a smart co-pilot guiding the agent through the process step by step. It integrates context from the case, recommends next actions, and even automates appointments creation when needed. This is how we do it, by embedding intelligence directly into the agent's workflow, so customers get resolution faster and agents feel supported and efficient. And as always, is all powered by the trusted Salesforce AI stack with compliance, data privacy, and transparency built in. Let me tell you how Agentforce becomes a true digital teammate when it comes to scheduling. It all starts with understanding what kind of jobs needed to get done. Things like managing appointments, handling cases, or working with customer accounts. These are grouped into what we call topics. Basically, different areas where the assistant can jump in and help. But knowing the topic isn't enough. The assistant also needs clear instructions. For example, if it is helping with appointments, it should always start by creating a service appointment. It should figure out the work order type based on the conversation, unless it's missing, in which case, just ask the customer. And of course, when offering time slot, it should keep it simple, just 4 options and always during business hours. Then come the actions. These are the smart moves the assistant can take, like checking what time slots are open, booking the appointment, or creating the service record behind the scenes. All of this happens automatically and in seconds. And here's the magic behind it all. The LLM plus Atlas Reasoning Engine is listening to what the customer is saying, understand the context, applies your business rule, and actually learns for each interaction. So over the time, it just gets better and better, more accurate, more helpful, more human. That's how we turn simple scheduling in something truly intelligent, with no script, no menus, just real-time understanding and action. Now, let's bring everything we discussed to life. It's time to see how it all comes together. Fabian, over to you for the demo.
Thank you, Carmen. It's time to turn theory into practice. In this live demo, we will walk through 3 blocks covering the complete journey. Customer experience from WhatsApp, dispatcher productivity into the dispatcher console, and technician enablement on the mobile app. Get ready to experience how, for customer, dispatcher, and technician alike, we move from reactive process to truly agent-first model. Boosting productivity, cutting costs, and delivering exceptional service from the very first clicks. Let's begin.
Imagine your customer Fabio opens WhatsApp and types hi. In a real scenario, we could configure the agent to recognize his phone number, identify him automatically, and greet him by name. Agentforce, powered by appointment management, replies instantly, "Hello, how can I assist you today?" Fabio explains, "My TP-Link modem has a technical problem." Drawing on the knowledge base, the agent offers self-service instructions and asks, "Would you like me to schedule a technician appointment for you?" Once Fabio confirms, he provides his details. In this demo, we've simplified the flow so the agent creates the appointment using default availability parameters. However, you can take it further. Configure the agent to not only identify the customer, but also ask for preferred dates and times, offering optimized slots based on SLA, technician skills, and availability. After creating the service appointment, the agent then automatically schedules the visit in Salesforce Field Service, leveraging the Agentforce scheduling optimization engine. Confirms details instantly by sending an email with the date, time, and technician info, and if preferred, delivers the same confirmation right in the WhatsApp chat, keeping the interaction in a single channel. With appointment management, our customers resolve issues faster and ensure an effective first contact, reduce human interactions in the contact center by up to 40%, increase customer satisfaction and loyalty, gain time and efficiency thanks to the combined power of Agentforce, field service, and digital engagement for a seamless experience. Now we move to the heart of operations at the dispatcher console. This is where every detail matters to keep productivity high and customer satisfaction strong. In this segment, you'll see how Agentforce for Field Service frees dispatchers from manual work by delivering smart connected capabilities, intelligent filters, exception handling, and bulk rescheduling. It's Friday morning, the dispatch console is packed, appointments in progress, others canceled, and a few at risk when the phone won't stop ringing. Amid the chaos, the dispatcher opens Agentforce. The first goal? Recover canceled appointments that are still salvageable. With a simple prompt, Agentforce scans service notes and instantly summarizes all cancellations in Medellin due today. It creates a custom filter in the console, showing only those appointments. The dispatcher now has a clear list of opportunities to recover. Next, it's time to identify risks. "Show me the schedule summary for Medellin today," they ask. Agentforce responds instantly with a breakdown of Jeopardy appointments, rule violations, overlaps, and other conflicts. Another filter is generated, allowing the dispatcher to focus where it matters most. With risk zones mapped, it's time to narrow the view. The dispatcher requests a filter for maintenance appointments scheduled for today. In seconds, Agentforce builds it, and the console updates with exactly the right set. To validate assignments, the dispatcher shifts gears. Create a filter for appointments already dispatched. Agentforce responds and adds a new filter to the console, enabling easy side-by-side comparison. But sometimes details matter most. The dispatcher asks about appointment 38,104 and gets an instant summary card with all key information. Then they request a list of all maintenance appointments assigned today in Medellin. Agentforce replies with another targeted summary and builds the corresponding filter. Finally, it's time to take action. Which appointments can be assigned to Andy James on Monday? Agentforce checks availability, recommends a suitable option, and displays a schedule button right below. With one click, the appointment is assigned and already visible in the Gantt view. In under 5 minutes, Agentforce has helped the dispatcher recover opportunities, reduce risk, segment information, make smarter decisions, and lock in reliable scheduling with Agentforce. Dispatching isn't reactive, it's proactive, it's intelligent, it's about gaining time, keeping promises, and delivering exceptional service experiences. Now, Carmen will show us how Agentforce empowers technicians in the field, boosting autonomy and execution on every task.
Thanks, Fabian. Now we are going to follow Adam, a field technician, through a typical service appointment and see how AI and automation can enhance every step of his day, from preparation to problem solving and work order closure. Alan starts his working day by opening his Salesforce Field Service mobile app. From here, he checks the service appointments assigned to him. Before heading out, it's essential that he has the right context, understanding what each job involves, what equipment is needed, any special instructions, and potential risk. Traditionally, this information is scattered across systems or delivered manually, which often leads to confusion, delays, or missteps. But with this automated briefing solution, Alan received a clear, structured overview of each work order directly on his mobile device. It includes customer details, job location, asset history, required tools, and past service records. If AI is enabled, it can also surface potential issues or recommendations based on previous similar jobs. This helps Alan start his day well prepared, reduce time spent on site, minimize the need for follow-up visits, and ultimately enable a more efficient and professional service. A well-informed technician is a more effective one, and this briefing process ensures just that. Later, while working on site, Alan encounters an issue. The customer's modem isn't responding as expected. Instead of escalating manually or calling support, he asked Agentforce, the built-in AI assistant, for help. The system immediately surfaced relevant asset details, customer history, and common solution based on similar incidents. This allows Alan to make informed decisions without switching apps or relying on someone else. AI plays a key role here. It suggests next best actions, highlights likely root causes, and even flags when a case should be escalated, all within the mobile app right at the point of service. Every step Alan takes is automatically logged, ensure traceability, and enable continuous improvement across the organization. The result? Faster issue resolution, fewer track rolls, and a more empowered field team, all while delivering a better customer experience. Once the job is done, Alan is ready to wrap up the work order. From his mobile app, he simply tells the assistant he's ready to close the appointment. Traditionally, job wrap-up involved several manual steps, updating records, filling out forms, and confirming everything was done properly. This task can be time-consuming and error-prone. Now, with automation, once Alan completes the appointment, the system takes over. It automatically updates the job status, ensure all required information like customer signature, photos, and service checklist is captured, and triggers the next steps like invoicing or scheduling a follow-up is needed. This not only accelerates work order closure, but also reduces administrative overhead, improves data accuracy, and generates valuable insights to track technician performance and operational efficiency. And the most importantly, it frees Alan to focus on what really matters, delivering excellent service while the system handles the rest. Okay, we are now ready to take your questions. Please enter them into the QA panel. We'll answer as many as we can now and follow up the rest. If you are curious about AI, best practices, how to get started with Agentforce, or how it's being used across industry, we are ready to dive into any topic. Okay. Any question? Okay. Thank you once again for joining us today. As you've seen, Agentforce isn't just a vision for the future. It's a powerful, ready-to-use solutions that transforming field service right now. At Nespon, we are proud to partner with clients to design, implement, and scale intelligent field service operations powered by Salesforce AI, helping them deliver faster, smarter, and more connected service experience. Thank you.